Is your breath lethal? Find out now. Today we're going to talk about something that can be a little embarrassing but is super important: bad breath. We all know that brushing our teeth and flossing regularly is key to maintaining good oral hygiene. But did you know that even if you're diligent with your dental routine, you could still be suffering from bad breath? Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can be a major blow to your confidence and can even affect your social interactions. No one wants to be that person people avoid talking to because of their breath. So let's dive in and learn more about this common problem. Silent but deadly. Common signs you might have bad breath. First things first, how do you know if you have bad breath? Well, sometimes it's obvious, but other times it can be a bit more subtle. One of the most common signs is a persistent bad taste in your mouth, even after brushing. If you're constantly reaching for gum or mints to mask the taste, it's a red flag. Another telltale sign is a dry mouth. Saliva is our mouth's natural cleanser, so when your mouth is dry, it creates a breeding ground for bacteria that cause bad breath. You might also notice a white coating on your tongue, which is another indicator of bacterial overgrowth. Unmasking the culprit. What causes bad breath? Now that we know the signs, let's talk about what causes bad breath. The most common culprit is, you guessed it, bacteria. Our mouths are home to millions of bacteria, and while most of them are harmless, certain types can produce sulfur compounds, which have that characteristic rotten egg smell. These bacteria thrive on food particles, especially those stuck between our teeth or on our tongue. That's why brushing and flossing are so important. But diet isn't the only factor. Smoking, certain medical conditions, and even some medications can also contribute to bad breath. If you're concerned about persistent bad breath, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or dentist to rule out any underlying medical issues. Don't be caught off guard. How to check your breath. Okay, so how can you check your breath if you're unsure? You don't want to be caught off guard in a social situation. The simplest way is to lick the back of your hand, let it dry for a few seconds, and then smell it. It might sound a little strange, but it's actually a pretty accurate way to get a sense of your breath. Another method is to gently scrape the back of your tongue with a spoon and smell the residue. Remember, the back of the tongue is where those odor-causing bacteria like to hang out. Of course, the most reliable way to check your breath is to ask a trusted friend or family member, but maybe not right after they've had a delicious meal. Freshen up fast, effective remedies for bad breath. Now for the good stuff, how to banish bad breath for good. The first line of defense is, of course, maintaining excellent oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time, making sure to reach every nook and cranny. Don't forget to floss daily to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth. A tongue scraper can also be a game changer in removing bacteria and odor-causing residue from your tongue. And of course, regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for maintaining a healthy mouth and fresh breath. Prevention is key. Why regular dental checkups matter. Speaking of dental checkups, don't underestimate their importance. Regular visits to your dentist are about more than just cleanings. Your dentist can detect early signs of gum disease, cavities, and other oral health issues that can contribute to bad breath. They can also give your teeth a professional cleaning, removing stubborn plaque and tartar that you can't always get rid of at home. Remember, taking care of your oral health is an investment in your overall health and well-being. So make sure to schedule those regular checkups. And don't be afraid to ask your dentist any questions you might have about your breath or oral hygiene routine. So there you have it, guys. Bad breath is a common problem, but the good news is that it's usually preventable and treatable. By following these simple tips and maintaining good oral hygiene, you can breathe easy knowing you have fresh breath and a healthy smile. Remember, confidence starts with taking care of yourself, inside and out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And as always, thanks for watching.